Man, since the beginning of time, have been looking for the ways of happiness and contentment. This search to achieve full satisfaction is everlasting. For some, their sense of contentment is materialistic, and for others, it's based on the goals in life that they want to achieve. But even after all this, we hardly are completely happy. This story will help you understand the meaning of real happiness and contentment. Fayaz, the barber in the town, once was trimming the hair of mayor at the mayoral residence. When he was done trimming his hair, he offhandedly remarked, "Your hair is turning grey." The mayor, infuriated at barber's audacity for saying what he said, ordered to put Fayaz in the jail for 6 months. But still, the mayor couldn't sleep for nights, and one day asked his court attendant, "Do you see any grey in my hair?" The attendant replied casually, "No, not so much." "Not much?" The mayor shrieked out of rage and ordered the guards to take him to the jail and put him there for 2 months. Still anxious and stressed about the same question, the mayor turned to another attendant and asked him again, "Do you see any grey hairs on my head?" The attendant, who was already petrified enough, couldn't process about the repercussions and said in a very shivery and hasty tone, "Sir, your hair is completely black." Out of control, the mayor yelled, "You liar!" and commanded the guards to give him 10 lashes on his back and then put him in the jail for 3 months. After days and nights of continuous and stressful thoughts, he asked Nasiruddin, the judge in his court, and he replied calmly with his wit and composure, "Sir, since I am colorblind, so I cannot answer the question with any degree of accuracy. But at the same time, as a man like me who has absolutely no hair on his head, hair of any color would be a blessing." This is exactly what is happening in our lives. Everyone is frantically looking for self-contentment and happiness all around, not knowing where it is. Our happiness lies in the fact that we are satisfied with what we have and the happiness of other people. Give them their happiness, you will get your own. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Do also check out our social handles and follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Remember to check our website and our Discord server and follow us there for more updates.